Today we visited a traditional medicine factory in Xizang. This is really a huge factory. Traditional medicine, which we call Ayurvedic medicine, also Ayurveda. This is in practice also in our country, in Nepal and India also. Tradition which was in practice in the ancient time is continued in the modern time also. This will be expanded and this should be continued. We don't know its English name, but most of the herbs displayed here are available in our country and we use in everyday life. We use in our kitchen like the turmeric, black pepper, that when we suffer from the cough, we dried it in the oven and we put it in our mouth. That helps to cure the cough, dry cough. A lot of things we saw here. It's interesting.
It's an honor to visit Cookware Factory here in Lhasa. I'm really impressed by this factory, by how this factory is combining technology and local knowledge for local needs. And as a journalist from Nepal, I see this is a huge beneficial to Nepal also, because Nepal's mountain areas also this technology can be very useful because there are lots of high altitude area. So technology can improve the people's livelihood. This factories gives me insight. Blending of technology and local knowledge can make people's life so easier.